Maganda yung character ni Sunshine. Okay yung character ni Sunshine.
Parang ang hirap naman nito another character in the show. No, I feel like kasi no matter what character will be given to you as an actress or as an actor, kakayanin mo talaga siya. But of course, I would also love to play the role of Isa because I honestly look up to Kylie a lot talaga in real life, and seeing her be Isa and do all these scenes, sobrang galing niya talaga mga kapuso. As in, windang na windang ako. I love her so much. I would also wanna be in her shoes someday. So she's like my role model talaga in the showbiz industry. So, ayun.
Of course, ipoportray ko pa rin yung sarili ko. Sarili ko. Kasi mas nakikita ko yung sarili ko si Robert na happy person. Nakikita ko yung character ni Isa. Sobrang hirap din. Parang ang hirap din talaga ilagay yung sapatos ko sa kanya. Ganon din kay Galo. At nakakatuwa din na every character may kanya-kanyang hugot, may kanya-kanyang knowledge, may kanya-kanyang input, may kanya-kanyang istorya. At yun ang dapat abangan ninyo. Baka kasi ma-explore ko lahat kung ano-anong klaseng mga personality meron kami at paano mabubuo ang firewall at ano-ano ang mga fight scenes na gagawin, sino-sino ang mga makasama pa namin. We'll see.
Alam mo, gusto ko yung character ni Galo. Sa harapan, patawa-tawa lang siya, pero deep inside, meron siyang pinagdadaanan. Even Kylie's. Kasi pinatay yung nanay ni Kylie. Pero they used to be an agent of firewall also, na namatay yung mom. So, besides yung role nila, merong pinanggagalingan yung characters. So it's not easy. Hindi siya ma-action ka na, emotional ka pa. Marami hindi ko pwedeng kwento Kasi marami talagang twist yung characters ng dalawa.
I'd play Galo. I told this to Miguel. I was like, brother, congratulations. That's one of my dream roles because he's playing with a character who's a military vet and then who has PTSD. That's one of my dream roles, handling doing a role with someone who has PTSD, specifically war veteran. Yes.
Oh, this is an action series. Sobrang seryoso. Pero, behind, like, on set kami, before taking the scene, tawa kami ng tawa because nakakatawa talaga. Like, may certain scene, I don't know if I can spoil this or anything, pero I wouldn't say this specific, pero it's between Buboy and Jack. Nung sobrang nakakatawa, nakakadire, na parang, hello guys, what's going on? So we keep laughing and laughing. And it's just the fact na yung chemistry namin ng Firewall team, sobrang strong talaga na bawat tingin pa lang namin ganun, we already know what the other person is thinking, which makes everything so funny. Kasi nakakalimutan namin na, oy, umaarte tayo dito characters tayo dito, hindi to real life So, ayun.
Shocks lagi nangyayari to pag meron kasing eksena, syempre hindi ko ginagawa talaga sa take or rehearsal. Kunwari meron akong babanatan, something na intrusive thoughts ko lang kasi binabasa ko yung script. So minsan, sa kakulitan lang ng isip ko, meron akong gustong sabihin pero ayokong sabihin. Ayokong i-splok muna sa kanila for the essence of the surprise. Kasi yun yung character ni JJ, maano siya yung parang literal na icebreaker din siya, ganun. So ang hirap lang kapag lahat sila natatawa. Lalo na kapag gabi na, ang dami na namin, nag-fight scene kami buong araw. Tapos isang tawa lang ng isa kong kagrupo, kakalat na, lahat na kami tatawa. So yun lang, masaya lang din naman.
Si Direk Rico, he's very collaborative. Sa character ko, hinayaan niya akong to do something that do nuances and stuff. Ito mga panyo. So abangan nyo na lang kung ano mga gagawin ko. Medyo may konting tililing yung character ko dito. Kumbaga, Dom, ikaw na bahala. Parang ganun. So, natatawa na lang kami. Parang tuloy ako, every taping, pag nasa opisina ako, nag-iisip tuloy ako kung, okay, what will I do next? What am I gonna show these people? Diba? Hindi kami dikahon. Very collaborative ang mga tao dito sa show na to. So we don't just say our lines, we play around with it.
Ito. Well, it's not my personal, but na-experience ko siya. Si Kylie. Kylie has this parang I wouldn't say sakit, pero sige, let's put it that way. May sakit siya, once na matawa na siya, kailangan na antayin namin siyang matapos. May ilabas niya. Kaya nga si director sasabihin niya, oh, ilabas na. Kasi nakakahawa yung tawa niya eh. As in, may matching headbang na may malakas na tawa. So, syempre, it's very contagious. Lalo na nangyayari yun pagka-serious yung mga eksena namin. So, yun. So far, yun pa lang. Maybe in the future, if you ask me again, baka may bago.
Well, si JJ, sobrang nakaka-relate din ako sa kanya. Kasi si JJ isa siyang happy person. Sobrang makulay si JJ kasi sa team, kapag sobrang na-stress na ang lahat, siya lang yung nagbibigay ng, alam mo yung, go guys, kaya natin yan, always smile, think the positive, like that. So yun yung character ni JJ dito, yun yung ambag niya sa team. At of course, hindi lang din yun, for surveillance also.
I wouldn't say real. Well, so half and half. Merong real people. I had to consult my older brother who's in the military, and then now he's a detective and a SWAT officer in the States. And then I have an uncle who was a Special Forces Marines. So I kind of had to pull some inspiration and do my due diligence. Nag-character work ako, in-interview ko sila, ask for tips and advice. And then, syempre, I had to mix a little bit of fictional characters. Mga films na napanood ko na like for action, and then the way law enforcement conduct themselves. So, kailangan syempre hindi tayo pwedeng bastang normal na military vet or law enforcement. Kailangan may flavor, may character. Especially si Martin Cervantes, you'll get a lot of flavor from him in this show.
This is it, mga kapuso. Task Force Firewall. This May 25 na yan on GMA Primetime, 8:55 p.m. after Master Cutter. Ayan. Be informed, isang click ka lang.
Hey guys, I'm Bowie Villar. Catch more online exclusive here at ATM. Thank you guys.
Hello mga kapuso, I'd like to invite everyone to please do watch Task Force Firewall after Master Cutter po, 8:55 p.m. Mondays to Fridays on Kapuso Stream.
What's up, guys? This is Luis Ontiveros. If you want to catch more online exclusives, only here at ATM.
Mga kapuso, abangan nyo ang Task Force Firewall ngayong May 25 na 8:55 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Kita-kits po tayo.
Isang click ka lang, lagot na.
Pagaling ng pagaling ang mga hackers.
One step ahead lagi dapat tayo.
Kailangan ng malakas ang pagbabantay.
Kailangan nila tayo.
Ito ang trabaho ng Task Force Firewall.
Task Force Firewall. World premiere May 25 on GMA Prime.